every movie and TV show coming to Netflix in February 2018. February might be the shortest month of the year, but that isn't stopping Netflix from packing it with content from the first day to the last week. Sure, there might be a few stinkers on the list, see the image above, but there are plenty of exciting additions and fascinating new original shows to make up for it. February 1st alone is one of the best days I have personally ever seen for Netflix licensed content, as both volumes of Kill Bill, all three Ocean's movies, Men in Black and The Hurt Locker all arrive on the same day. Dawn and number 039 T-Miss, today's top deals: DNA Test, $15 Crock-Pot, $10 electric griddle, $23 Bluetooth earbuds, Nest. More the month continues improving from there, with Season 1 of Altered Carbon. The next episode of My Next Guest needs no introduction, with David Letterman and an original stand-up special from Fred Armisen all slated to hit in the coming weeks. You can see the complete list of edition for February 2018 below. Check back in a little while for a full list of movies, shows and specials being removed from Netflix next month. In the meantime, watch a short video featuring some of the highlights coming